All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. So we're here at race number 2, or stage 2 for the autocross here for Street Racing Made Safe. And upgrades this time around, we got the track alignment. So now we have aggressive camber front and rear. The car is definitely rotating a lot better. I'll post the alignment sheet right here on the screen. So we're looking to see if we can get a better time, try to place better than Will in this white Camaro and Marcel in the other black Camaro over here. All right, so I got run group 1. They're gonna do 3 groups in total, 2 heats, so 3 runs on, 3 runs off. Hopefully this alignment helps me rotate the car better. I'm gonna take the first run kind of slow, just got a feel for the track. It's a really nice track layout, definitely a lot more flow. So let's get to this. So we ran 2 of the 3 runs in the first heat, and the first run was a 50.5. The second run was a 49 and change. I'm definitely improving. I just aired down the front tires. The alignment definitely made a big difference, and I can feel the car rotate a lot more. I can still throttle to rotate the car, but in this current state, it's really helping me get the car to turn around a lot better. So I'm hoping that I can definitely narrow the gap between Marcel and Will, you know, against the Camaros, and obviously the, you know, the Porsche that's in our class that's way ahead of us. So
last one, right?
yeah.
back there.
Fourth,
No, this
bro.
ain't a roll race.
Running
dog.
start, bro.
I'm trying to roll race. Whatever you're ready, dog.
Ready?
4, 1,
1. My second run. This
second one?
Yeah.
Dude.
Yep. All right, so we got finished with today's autocross and we did pretty good. I had a much more consistent day today than I've had in the other events. Ran a pretty consistent 49 50-second lap. I'll go ahead and put the scoreboard up here. I believe I got 5th or 6th place in my class this time around. The car did great. I did much better. And I think the car is performing much better because the track alignment. I think that's the best upgrade that I've done so far The car rotates so much better. It really helps me prevent the understeer that I was fighting the first couple events, and now I was able to, you know, come into the turn much more aggressive and carry much more speed coming out of the turn. So successful day. Car ran great. It was very hot today, but the car you know, didn't have a hiccup. Did really well. We had a good time with the guys. We had a really good time with the other Camaros, and we showed those Miatas who are boss. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.